Nkechi, why are you crying like this? Oh, you don't know Circle Theorem is scattering your head. Oh, sorry now. It's a small boy. Okay, because of the diagram. Uh-uh. Come on. Don't worry. Today eh, you are going to overcome it. You are going to have it. You are going to have dominion over it. It's a small boy. Just sit down, okay? Okay, alright, you happy now? Alright. Hello. Let's solve together. Now, to solve for y, first of all, we can draw a line from point C to point D. Okay? So that I can touch the both circumference. So that here now is angle 90. How do we get angle 90? The theorem says that angle formed as a semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle, which is the diameter. Angle formed there that touches the circumference there is angle 90 degrees. Now, this is angle 90 degrees. Now, since here is angle 90 degrees, how can we get here, which is angle D? Don't forget, angle ACD is a triangle. When we bring it out, we have something like this, something like this. Don't forget, here is what? 90 degrees, here is 30 degrees, and here is what? Angle D. Now, to find here, don't forget that we can say 30 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle D, which is angle AC ACD. The angle is what? Okay, is ADC. ADC. The angle is at D. So equals to 180 degrees. Now 30 plus 90 gives 120 degrees. Then plus what? ADC degrees equals to 180 degrees. We collect like them. We have ADC equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. How? When plus, which is at this 120, when it goes to meet 180, the plus becomes negative. That's how we get negative 120 degrees. Now we have angle ADC equals to 180 degrees minus 120. It gives us 60 degrees. Now here is what? 60 degrees, which is also here to be what? 60 degrees. Hope you are following, and you too. Now we have gotten our angle D. Now what do we do next? We are going to find our angle Y. To find angle Y is very simple. This is very simple to get it. Do you know why? This is a semicircle, and this point A, B, C, D is a what? Is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means angle that have four sides, or shape that have four sides. Now, a quadrilateral in a circle. So, but one of the law of circle theorem says that opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, which is quadrilateral in a circle, the opposite angle, this one and this one they are opposite, this one and this one they are opposite. We are looking for y, so we are going to need this and this. Now, which means these two angles that are opposite each other, facing each other, they are to give us 180 when we sum them up. Now we have 190 degrees plus 60 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Why? Sum of angles. Okay, no, you see, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is 180 degrees. This is the reason why when you're writing the exam, put this to get a good grade. Okay, now we now have y degrees plus 60 degrees equals 180, right? We collect like them. So we have y degrees equals 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. So y degrees equals 180 minus 60 give us 120 degrees. And this y is equals to 120 degrees, which become our final answer. Wow, Nkechi is now happy now. Wow. That's good. Please rejoice for Nkechi, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.